He pāhara kai mā ngā whānau e pōkai ka hāna.
In a week, with the number of boxes, parcels that we do, we need around $2,500 is what it would cost us. We open 2 days a week, 10 till 2, Tuesday and Thursday. And last week we packed 12 parcels. Now, if we put that into people numbers, it would have been near to 80 to 85 people. So although we do parcels, we break it right down to exactly how many people. And that's a week.
We have peanut butter for a topping, we have tea, coffee and hot chocolate, and we have noodles dependent on the family size, some biscuits, some rolled oats for breakfast, some flour, sugar, rice and spiraled pasta.
A koe nei ka kore pea e pē nei rawa te ki o ngā pāhara i te whakakorenga o te pūtea tautoko ai te paunga o tēnei marama.
Without the funding, people are still going to come. And if we can't afford to give them the kai, we'd have no choice but to close down. So the significance of that funding was it helped us continue to feed our iwi, and that was really important.
He pūtea tautoko nā te mana tū whakahia to ora i toha i te taunga mai o te ko whiori ki Aotearoa hei āwhina i ngā taupuni kai. Ko te mate kē ia i nāia nei, he nui ake ngā whānau kei te hia āwhina, tēnā i te wā o te pākati.
It's just because COVID, in general terms, has ended, the demand has gone up, and especially in Maniapoto, you know, their housing is expensive here because there isn't a lot of rentals. So it's significant because the cost of living's gone up, everything else has gone up, and people are struggling. And especially for our iwi here, they find it really, really hard.
Kua mate te tira iti nei ki te toro ki te hapori e whai āwhina nei rātau. Kua whakatuwherahia he pū ke te moni, e tāi ai e te tangata, te tuku pūtea.
I've noticed on our bank accounts that we've had a couple of people who have started doing, like, I guess might be a weekly type of donation into the bank. And one of them is, it's only $2, but hey, $2 is a lot of money maybe to somebody who's donating it. So we're extremely grateful to those couple of people that have started that. We do, and it's carried on before COVID and during COVID, that our local supermarkets often will give us their damaged or dated stock.
Kai te rere hoki te karanga ki ngā kamupene nui i te rohe, me kore e tahuri mai ai rātau ki te āwhina i te kaupapa.
We hope the community, we hope the big organisations in town might be able to help us as well. The kōrero would be from us that we are grateful for anything. For those who want to and can afford to help the community in bigger ways, we're also grateful for that as well.
E tau māro nei a Ashby ka haere tonu wā rātau mahi.
Let's go feed these people.
Aha kua ngā pie renuku o te wā. Wikitōria Day mā Aukaha.
Ko te reo, te take.